Model, 2008 Ford Transit 110 T280s Fwd. Amazing color, easy fix, needs a turbo. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 200,560. MOT, the 3rd of October 2025. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 110 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Oil light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, tow bar. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.